Hi, supercar enthusiasts. Today we're bringing you something absolutely extraordinary. A face-off between two of the most magnificent machines ever created. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport goes head-to-head with its track-focused sibling, the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, in an epic drag race that will leave you breathless. These hypercars represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, and we're about to find out which one reigns supreme on the drag strip. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport stands before us as a monument to speed and luxury, boasting an earth-shattering 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces a mind-boggling 1,600 horsepower. With 1,600 Newton-meters of torque flowing through its all-wheel drive system and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, this 1,995-kilogram Titan is engineered to dominate straight-line speed. At approximately 5 million pounds, it represents the ultimate expression of automotive excess in capability. Facing this behemoth is the equally impressive but differently focused Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. While sharing the same basic architecture, that magnificent 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16, the Pur Sport comes with a slightly detuned 1,500 horsepower output. However, it maintains identical torque figures at 1,600 Newton-meters and crucially features shorter gear ratios, specifically designed for blistering acceleration rather than top-end speed. The Pur Sport also benefits from a marginally lighter package, weighing in at 1,945 kilograms, a 50-kilogram advantage over the Super Sport. This weight reduction, combined with its acceleration-focused gearing, creates a fascinating matchup. The Super Sport may have 100 more horses under its massive hood, but the Pur Sport's weight advantage and shorter gearing could potentially give it the edge off the line. The stage is set for an epic battle between two different philosophies from the same legendary manufacturer. Launch control drama. As these hypercars position at the starting line, everything hinges on the crucial first seconds. The Super Sport's launch control system engages perfectly, channeling its superior 1,600 horsepower through all four wheels with devastating efficiency. Despite the Pur Sport's lighter weight and track-focused engineering, it simply cannot match the raw acceleration capability of the Super Sport. The Super Sport establishes immediate dominance in these critical first meters, creating noticeable separation between itself and the Pur Sport. While both cars accelerate at a pace that few vehicles on Earth could match, the Super Sport's superior power delivery proves decisive. As both machines surge toward the horizon, the gap continues to widen, confirming the Super Sport's supremacy in straight-line acceleration. The launch phase clearly demonstrates why the Super Sport commands its legendary status in the hypercar hierarchy. When it comes to pure, unfiltered acceleration from a standstill, its additional power translates to undeniable superiority over its track-focused sibling. Quarter-mile shootout. As both hypercars thundered toward the quarter-mile marker, though the Super Sport dominated the initial launch with its superior power delivery, an unexpected development unfolds. The Pur Sport begins closing the gap. The Super Sport's early advantage gradually diminishes as both cars surge forward. The Pur Sport's optimization for acceleration becomes increasingly apparent, its shorter gear ratios and lighter weight proving tremendously effective once both cars are in motion. Despite having 100 fewer horsepower, the Pur Sport begins to edge ahead. The middle section of the race sees a complete reversal of fortunes. The Pur Sport's engineering focus on acceleration rather than top speed proves perfectly suited for the quarter-mile test. As they cross the quarter-mile marker, the clock reveals the surprising outcome. The Pur Sport completes the standing quarter-mile in a blistering 9.4 seconds, while the Super Sport requires 9.7 seconds. It's a clear victory for the track-focused Bugatti in this discipline, confirming that raw horsepower isn't everything when it comes to quarter-mile performance. Despite losing the launch, the Pur Sport's combination of weight reduction and gearing optimization proves decisively superior through the full quarter-mile. As both hypercars surge beyond the quarter-mile marker, the battle enters a new phase where physics and engineering tell a different story. The Pur Sport, having claimed victory in the quarter-mile with its impressive 9.4-second time, now faces the true strength of the Super Sport on longer stretches. The momentum shifts dramatically as speeds climb past 150 miles per hour. The Super Sport begins to demonstrate its worth, the gap between the cars visibly shrinking with each passing second. What was a clear Pur Sport advantage transforms into an increasingly intense duel as both machines devour distance at a breathtaking pace. The Pur Sport fights valiantly to maintain its lead, extracting every ounce of performance from its track-focused setup. Its driver pushes the machine to its absolute limit, but physics cannot be denied. Just before reaching the half-mile marker, the Super Sport completes its comeback, edging ahead in a dramatic display of high-speed dominance. This half-mile section perfectly illustrates the distinct character of each hypercar. The Pur Sport's explosive acceleration eventually yields to the Super Sport's relentless high-speed performance. As they flash past the half-mile point, the Super Sport has clearly asserted its superiority, demonstrating exactly why it holds speed records while the Pur Sport excels in different disciplines. In this crucial showdown, the Super Sport once again proves its edge. It manages to stop in a noticeably shorter distance than the Pur Sport, underlining its superior all-around performance. This win isn't just about stopping faster. It's a testament to the complete engineering mastery behind the Super Sport. By excelling at both acceleration and braking, it reinforces its position as one of the finest and most balanced hypercars ever built. Conclusion. What we've witnessed today is far more than just a drag race. It's a thrilling deep dive into the fascinating world of hypercar design. The Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, with its finely tuned gearing and aggressive weight reduction, proves that precision and balance can triumph in a standing start acceleration. Its victory in the quarter mile is a testament to how track-focused engineering can translate into blistering, straight-line performance. It's a machine designed for instant response, showcasing the raw excitement of speed. On the other hand, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport solidifies its place in the record books by demonstrating why it holds speed supremacy. While it may concede ground in the early stages of acceleration, its sheer power and relentless performance take over as speeds build, earning it the win in the half-mile rolling race. The Super Sport is a masterclass in sustained speed, where power and aerodynamics converge to dominate the long run. Thank you for being part of this thrilling showdown between two of the most exceptional hypercars ever created. We've seen the Pur Sport's lightning-fast acceleration and the Super Sport's record-breaking top speeds, each showcasing its own unique brilliance. Now we want to know, if you had to choose one for your dream garage, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share this incredible race with your friends. Stay tuned for more heart-pounding content.